Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to align text in Figma step by step. If you've ever struggled to get your headings, paragraphs, or even the tiniest bit of text to look just right in your Figma designs, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to align text, but also why alignment matters so much for making your designs look professional and polished. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're in Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, whatever you prefer. If you don't already have a project open, just hop into any file where you'd like to try this out. For today's example, I've got a simple block of text ready to go. You can use your own text or just type something like, "This is how to align text in Figma." Honestly, any sentence works because the steps are the same no matter what you're working with. Now let's talk about selecting the text. It might sound simple, but getting into the habit of fully selecting your text layer is crucial. Just click on the text with the Move tool, or if you've got a stack of layers, you can use the Layers panel on the left. A quick tip, make sure you're selecting the entire text box, not just double-clicking into the text for editing. You'll know it's selected when you see that bounding box around it. Once your text layer is selected, take a look at the bottom right of the Figma window. You're going to see a set of alignment options pop up, kind of like how you'd align paragraphs in a Word document or Google Docs. These buttons let you align your text to the left, center, or right of the text box it's within. For example, if you're working on a button and you want the label perfectly centered, just click the center alignment. If you're building a sidebar menu, you might want that text hugging the left edge. Just tap the left alignment. Figma will instantly snap your text in that direction. Remember, alignment isn't just about where the text sits, but about making your designs clear and comfortable for your viewers to read. But wait, there's more. Sometimes you want your text to stretch across the entire width of a box, spacing itself out so both the left and right edges line up nice and neat. That's called justified alignment, and it's especially handy for large blocks of text like in magazines or newsletters. To use this, head over to the right side of the screen again, where you'll find the Type Settings panel. This is where you can control font size and so on. Scroll down a bit if you need to, and you'll see the word Justified right next to the other alignment options. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, your text block spreads out so every line, except the last one, stretches from edge to edge within its container. Don't worry if it looks a little odd with really short sentences, that's normal. Justified alignment works best when you've got lots of text on each line. And that's it. Aligning text in Figma is really that easy, but understanding these options helps your designs look polished, balanced, and easy to read, just like the pros do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a step-by-step guide like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.